Today we will study about the non-disjunction. These are the contents and this is the basics of non-disjunction. Now we will study one by one. First is the introduction. The proper disjunction separate the two homologous chromosomes during cell division. When there is a failure of two homologous chromosomes or sister chromatids to separate during cell division is called as non-disjunction. So what is mean the non-disjunction? The non-disjunction is the failure of the chromosome pair to separate during meiosis first or meiosis 2, specifically in the anaphase. This process is called as non-disjunction. Who discovered the non-disjunction? Non-disjunction was discovered in crosses between white-eyed female Drosophila and red-eyed male Drosophila. All F1 generation should have white-eyed male and red-eyed female. In 1913, the Kelvin Bridges found that there are rare exceptions to these results. He found few white-eyed daughters and red-eyed sons among F1 generations. So this is the diagram. Here we cross the red-eyed male with the white-eyed female. So what will get the F1 progeny? All females of offspring have red eyes and all male offspring have white eyes. Okay. The Morgan's work show that from a cross of a white-eyed female and a red-eyed male, all the F1 male should be white-eyed and all female should be red-eyed, as I told you. Then Kelvin Bridges found that there are exceptions to this result. He found about 1 in 2000 of the F1 flies were either white-eyed female or red-eyed males. The Bridges hypothesized that a problem had occurred with the chromosome segregation in meiosis in the female. The paired X chromosome failed to separate, so eggs were produced with either 2X chromosome or no X chromosome. When red-eyed female in P1 generation cross with white-eyed male, then F1 progeny we will get red-eyed female and red-eyed male. And if we cross the F1 generation means red-eyed female with red-eyed male, then we will get the F2 generation where red-eyed female, red-eyed male and white-eyed male. So this is the result of F2 generation, and this occurred due to the non-disjunction, means the failure of the separation of the chromosomes. In next lecture we will study about the types of non-disjunction. There are two types of non-disjunction, that is the meiotic non-disjunction and the mitotic non-disjunction. So these are the two types of non-disjunction.